Welcome to the video about fair testing. I'm going to carry out a test to see what the effect of changing the angle of light hitting an object will have on its shadow. So I'm using a torch to generate the shadow. I've created, using a card, a protractor. I'm just going to mark on the paper where the shadow gets to. That one's off the edge of the page. So I'm going to just mark on this as I move around, and what I'm attempting to do is to keep the torch at the same kind of a distance away from the cardboard, so I've actually got it just right next to it. So I'm trying to control as many of the variables as I can, which is very important in a fair test. And that one again is going to be off the edge. Ideally, if you were doing a shadow experiment like this, you'd want a slightly taller object. I was just trying to try and find something at home. And I've got the usual problem that we have with light experiments of making sure that it's dark enough so that you can see the shadows being made. I would then use a ruler to measure out how big the shadows were. The main thing with a fair test is to control as many